Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to be reviewing the Shane Dawson palette. I'm so excited. I have the I Hate Myself book, so this will be my second item from Shane. I have been a fan since I was in 5th grade. I'm so excited to get into this. I'm so proud of him and everything he does. I'm like a diehard Shane fan. Oh, I haven't opened it yet. Ah! It's so pretty. Aww. So cute. My heart. I love it. I'm so excited right now. Here she is in my controversy. Everything sold out. I was on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website and I was on Morphe's website and everything was sold out. I could not get the full-size palette. I commented on the Beat and Run video and said everyone go to Jeffree Star Cosmetics and they have the mini controversy palette. So I actually did get it because of that sweet lady who commented. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. I literally could cry. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long for this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited right now. Do you want to see? Okay. This is maybe because I'm watching. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, it's so beautiful. You don't even understand how excited I am, Simon. Oh, no. No, you don't. She said no. You're welcome. Oh my gosh. Aww. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I should have worn purple. Oh well. Look at how beautiful it is. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. I need to take a photo of this before I dip into these pans. I'm so excited. I really wish I could have gotten the full palette, but I'm just so happy that I got the mini palette because I really didn't think I was going to get anything after like every single website sold out. So I'm just so relieved that I finally have it because I really... Oh wait, today is November 27th and I just got it in the mail yesterday. Okay, I'm going to... Oh, this is my first dip. Beautiful. I'm going to take a cry on my couch. I'm going to kind of pat it. And then blend it very gently up to my brow bone. But I'm going to cover the whole surface of my eyelid. Taking just a small amount of dye root here, just a little bit. Blending that in my outer crease. Oh wow, that's a lot of pigment. Holy crap! I like literally barely touched my lid. That's an insane amount of pigment that I was not expecting. I'm going to blend that into my crease, just the outer crease. I'm going to do the same thing with Controversy, but I am going to bring a little bit on my outer lash line, and then I'm going to bring it across my whole crease and in the outer corner, my outer V, to give some dimension. And I actually ended up blending it across my whole lid because I have quite translucent lids, and it looks really nicely blended across my whole lid. I'm not much of a purple girl. I tend to stick to my pinks and my neutrals, basically just beige, really. Beige and sparkles. But this purple is really, really beautiful. And I don't like anything on my lower lash line, so I'm going to 100% keep that completely clean because I like the look of everything on top and then nothing on below. I'm going to take this cute little brush and I'm going to dip into Exposed, tap off the excess, and then lightly pat, and then go over and rub along my inner corner and the inner part of my lid. I'm actually taking Exposed across my whole lid because Controversy and Exposed are blending really, really beautifully together. You can tell that they like made the purples to go together and the blues to go together, and then there's like My Apology is like a beautiful like sparkly burgundy color, and it seems as though it could work nicely with a blue look or a purple look. I'm going in with the gorgeous My Boyfriend's Purse. I was so happy that he put something dedicated to Ryland in both palettes. or not in both palettes. Ryland got a lipstick that's literally called Ryland, which is so sweet. Oh my god, gorgeous. I'm actually going to take this across my lash line and then kind of around my inner part of my lid, but I'm going to keep it away from my outer crease. Not even going to touch my outer crease. But this is almost like a brown shimmer. It's very pretty. It's something I do not own. And if I do own, I don't know that I owned it. It's like a copper shimmer. It's a really nice color. This is my final makeup look. I'm a very natural beauty is the best beauty kind of girl. So I just did one coat of mascara, no mascara on my bottom lashes. And yeah, this is my final look. And this is also what I will be wearing to Thanksgiving tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching my product review. I had so much fun doing it and I'm so excited about this beautiful, beautiful palette. This is my first time ever buying makeup that was for a person who I like and not just because of the palette. So that's how you know that it's true love, Shane. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.